This is Crypto Kernels. I'm your host, Axie. In this episode, we're going to be revisiting a platform and token which we first shared with you 6 months ago. That platform is Axie Infinity, and its native token is AXS. Now, before we do so, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button, which is the thumbs up icon that you see directly underneath our video. What this does, it helps to share our video with others like yourself who are new to crypto and want to begin learning as much as they possibly can. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, which is our logo that you see in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. What this does for you, it helps ensure that you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes. Now, what is Axie Infinity? Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based trading and battling game that is partially owned and operated by its players, inspired by popular games like Pokemon and Tamagotchil. Axie Infinity allows players to collect, breed, raise, battle, and trade token-based creatures known as Axies. These Axies can take various forms, and there are more than 500 different body parts available, including aquatic, beast, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Parts from each type class come in 4 different rarity scales: common, rare, ultra rare, and legendary. And Axies can have any combination of body parts, making them highly variable and often rare as well as unique. Each Axie is a non-fungible token, or NFT, with different attributes and strengths, and can be entered into 3 versus 3 battles, with the winning team earning more experience points that are used to level up on Axie stats or evolve their body parts. These Axies can be bred together to produce new and unique offspring, which can be used or sold on the Axie marketplace. The Axie Infinity ecosystem also has its own unique governance token known as Axie Infinity Shards, or AXS. These are used to participate in key governance votes and will give holders a say in how funds in the Axie community treasury are spent. Now, what makes Axie Infinity unique? Each Axie possesses 6 out of the hundreds of different potential body parts, each of which has its own battle move. This produces essentially endless variety among Axies, with most Axies having relatively weak statistics now, while those of the strongest combination of body parts can have incredible stats. Unlike some other blockchain-based battling and breeding games, each Axie can only be bred a total of 7 times to help control the population of Axies. Axie Infinity has its own mating hub to help players find a suitable match to breed their Axie with, to stand the best chance at producing a rare or powerful offspring. It costs 0.005 Ethereum in addition to small love potion SLP tokens to breed Axies. The Axie Infinity token is an ERC20 token launched on the Ethereum blockchain. As a result, it is secured by Ethereum's proof of work consensus mechanism. Now, right now, we're looking at a few Axies here. I'm going to scroll down and show you a couple of other things. Now, here we see adventure Axies, battle Axies, and the breeding of Axies. Now, in addition to this, another new feature to the Axie Infinity metaverse is the ability to purchase and sell land, okay? Because this was not out originally. It was all about the Axies, and it still is, but it expanded to now include land that can be bought, built on, and sold, just like in Decentraland or Mana. Now here we can see a few of the Axies in action. Now here I want to show you, these are recently listed and recently sold Axies. On the left, you have recently listed Axies, and on the right you have recently sold Axies. Now this is updated in real time, and this is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. As you can see here, this Axie sold is listed for 48. That one's for 242, and they're just constantly by the minute being added. New ones are being added. Another thing that I'm going to show you. First of all, who are the founders of Axie Infinity? Axie Infinity was created in 2018 by Sky Mavis, a technology-focused game developer with a team primarily based in Vietnam. Now, this is Sky Mavis's website, official website, I should say. It was co-founded by Trung Nguyen and Alexander Larson. Now, this is Trung right here. He graduated with a BS in computer software engineering and worked as a software engineer at Andelin Transactions prior to founding Axie Infinity. He is now the CEO, and this is a mural of him that I found on CoinDesk site. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Now, his partner, Alexander Larson, is one of its co-founders. Larson has been working in blockchain gaming since 2017. Here he is. He previously worked as the security officer for the Norwegian government security organization and still sits as secretary of the board of directors at the Blockchain Game Alliance. Now, in total, the Axie Infinity team consists of 25 full-time employees, many of whom have experience in game development. Now, let's look at the actual token itself. As of today, February the 9th, the price per AXS token is $66.30. Its current market cap is $4 billion. We can see right here in the lower right left-hand corner. Now, also what I want to share with you, let's see. The circulating supply of AXS tokens is 60 million, which is roughly a quarter of the available total supply. That's verified through CoinMarketCap. If we look down underneath there, we can see the total token supply, 270 million AXS tokens. That's the most that there will ever be. Remember, we always want to know what the total token supply is of any token or any coin. Now here, if we look over the last 7 days, a week ago, the price per AXS token was $46.60. But it's gained just under 40% in value over the last 7 days. Now here, if you want to, first of all, this is also very important. Now, when we originally aired our first video on Axie Infinity, which was July the 20th, the price per AXS token was $22. I remember distinctly. No, yep, $22. So if you've been watching us since then and you've bought and been holding on to AXS tokens for the last 4 to 5 months, you've at the very minimum doubled your money with the information we provided with you, which is a huge win. And it was a lot more than that. On November the 6th, as you can see, it reached the all-time high of $160 per token. It has since fallen quite dramatically due to a large sell-off of profits, but it's still a lot going on. Everything has been selling off. Now, if you want to get some for yourself, you can get them on Binance. We've included a link in the description of this video. You can also get AXS tokens now on Coinbase if you don't have an account with them yet, and you sign up using our link right here in the description of this video. You'll earn $40 in free crypto just for taking a few quizzes, which will expand your knowledge, and you can use them to buy a couple of AXS tokens. You can also on crypto.com sign up using our link if you haven't already yet and get $25 in free crypto. You can also get AXS tokens on BitForex as well. Now, in addition to all this crypto that you're getting ready to get, make sure that you protect it. It is a known fact that 80+% of people that currently have crypto do not have a cold storage wallet, which is, I don't know, it's just unimaginable, but it's the reality, which is why I speak about Ledger. Ledger is one of the leading worldwide manufacturers of crypto cold storage wallets. They're based in Paris, France. Basically, the way it works, you move your crypto off of whatever exchange you have it on, you put it in your cold storage wallet, and you're able to take it with you anywhere you go in the world. It's the only way to truly secure your crypto. Leaving it on any exchange for an extended amount of time is never safe, and it's not smart. Now, if you receive value from our channel and from this video, the best way to contribute in response to the content of future episodes is by making a donation of any ERC20 token, including Axie Infinity, to our Ethereum address right here that you see. And also share this video with someone that you know who would benefit from it. And lastly, you want to become a member and show your support, because to me, to this channel, loyalty is everything. And one of the ways you can show your loyalty is by putting your money where your mouth is. This channel is all about teaching you how to make money and about making money. Now let's get it.